Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about Xline or construction line command, and one more is your ray command. So, what are these two different commands? It is going to work in your AutoCAD. These two we are going to draw. If you want to draw a infinite length of line, then you are going to use this type of commands, and we'll see somehow it is going to be used where we are going to use this one. First is your extension line command xline. So as I told you, the shortcut key for this one is xl. So here if you want to draw a what I'll call the lines not only with respect to horizontal or vertical plane, here once you write your extension line command in your command line at the bottom, and if you hit enter, when you hit enter you are going to see the 5 different methods under your extension line command. Which are those 5? One, it is saying that if you want to draw a infinite length of line only in x plane, then that is you have got horizontal. See here, if you want to draw with respect to horizontal only, then what you need to do, you need to type xl and you need to enter. You are going to find 5 different methods under this extension line command. If you directly click on this horizontal, or you just type in the command box h and press enter, it will work with respect to only horizontal. Here we got one more is vertical, and one more is their angle and bisector, and one more last one is your offset is there. So where we are going to use this extension line command, we are going to use a lot in your elevation drawing. When you are going for your elevation drawing, there we are going to use more number of times your extension line command, right? And one more is there, the second one is ray command. So ray command is nothing but it is a simplified version of your extension line command. In extension line command, you know that you are not at all going to find the starting point and ending point, because infinite in length in this side and infinite length in this side. So I don't know where it is starting and where the end point of this extension line. But in the case of ray command, you are going to find the starting point. You are going to see the starting point, but you are not going to see the ending point of your this line. So how it is going to be worked? See here, where we are using more number of times this extension. For a geometrical object, I have drawn over a circle here. So if you want to draw this point and infinite in length, then you go for your what we call ray command. And one more simplified way is there for civil engineers. If you want to draw a small window over here, right? If you want to draw a small window of fixed center, then you go for your what we call ray command. I will show how to draw in AutoCAD this one, no need to worry. So you should understand the only difference between these two things. Here you are going to see infinite in length from point A and point B, but here we are going to see the finite, means you are going to see the first point but you are not going to see the second point in the case of your ray command. So where we are using these two, as I told you, one is with respect to elevation and one with respect to any of the small what you call your first point to be known, and if you don't know the second point, there we are going to use this case. So how we are going to use these two commands in your AutoCAD, we'll see here. First we will go with respect to extension line command. When I type xl right in the comment box, you can check out over here. By here I was getting x line or extension line. If you don't want to type at the comment box, then directly go inside your draw toolbar. Here you are going to find the construction line or x line command. You directly hit this one, so it is going to be work. When I select this one, at the comment box you can check over here. Here I was getting the 5 different methods. One is your horizontal, vertical, angle, bisector, offset. If you hit on the screen directly without opting any of the things, it is going to be work. So here you are going to get the line. Now I am getting only x and y because ortho mode is switched on. If I switch off this one, here you can see the extension line you are going to get, extended line you are going to get in the x and y plane, which is more rotating in all the axes. So if I want only with respect to horizontal and with respect to only vertical or with respect to at certain angle, then this method is not going, this whatever we have done, it is not going to be work. For that case, what I need to do, first I need to give the command Excel, and you choose, if I want only horizontal axis, then what I need to do, I need to hit on this here horizontal, or you can type here capital H. See, whatever you are going to see in the blue line, blue word, that indicates the shortcut of this particular methods, right? See my mouse cursor, how it is going to be shifting. So now it is pointed. When I go there, I am getting a fingertip, right? So it is going to be fingertip, means this command will work. If I am going to take this one, I am getting a small vertical line. It is not at all going to work over here, your mouse cursor. So if you want this one horizontal, you just hit your horizontal. See here, I am getting n number of horizontal lines you can create at one interval. This will work until and unless you come out of its command, because it is a continuation command it is going to give you. So if you want to come out of this command, then just press enter or space, or you can press escape. It will out of its your command. If I want only vertical lines, then what I need to do, I need to press extended line. Press here, you are going to get the 4-5 different methods. I will opt now second option. See here, now I am getting the infinite length in your y plane also, right? See here, I will zoom in, so you are going to see the n number of infinite line, right? So this is how we are going to draw a line in horizontal and vertical. If I want to draw a line, for example, if I want to draw a line from this point at 30-degree angle of infinite length in x and y plane, then what I need to do, I need to type a extended line command. You need to select the angle. So what angle you required, if you required 45 degree, then you just type 45, press enter. See here, now you are going to get all the angles, whatever you are drawing in your AutoCAD, you are going to get all the angles in 45. Check out here, you are going to get all the angles in 45 degree. So if you want to check this one, it is not going to work if I go with D. If I want to check this one under this dimension, if I was going for angularity, it is not going to work. Angular dimension, see this point and this point, it won't work, because here what it is stating, that you can check over here, select the arc, circle, line, or specify vertex. So you can select this vertex, or you can select the angle this between these two. Either you select these two lines or you select the circle. But here I got the infinite in length and x and y plane. For that reason, it is not going to select. So if you want to check out the angle between these two lines, then draw a small line. See, I have drawn over here one line, and I was drawing one more line on your x plane. Right, now I'll go with respect to dimension, how I need to check the angularity. So this and this, you go here, you are going to get 45 degree angle. If you want to check the angle between these two lines, because here these two lines have been created over here, 1 and 2, then only you are going to get the angle between those two lines, right? And one more is there, fourth method, extended line command, right? So here one more is there, bisect. Bisect is nothing but, for this case what I need to do, I'll delete out all these things. For this case I need a one vertex, then only it is going to work. See here, I drawn two line. If I want to if I want to split into two equal halves, how I can do these things is, with the help of extension line command, you press extension, then you hit on the bisect. So if I hit, I need to choose the vertex. Vertex is nothing but this end point, right? So I need to choose this vertex point. Now it is asking me the start point. The start point is, I will take, this is my start point and this is my end point. See here, I got one vertex. So if I want to check again the angle between these two lines, then I need to draw once again a small line. Then only you are going to get the angle between these two lines, or else you are not at all going to find, right? Because that is extended line. Because of that reason, you are not going to find this and this. You can check here 45 degree. As I told you, it is going to split into two equal halves, right? So this is about your bisector, and one more is there, offset. See here, I am drawing very small line. right? If I want to offset this line with the extension line command, so how can I do? I'll go with extension line. Under this I'll choose the offset this time. So it is asking me what should be the throw distance. I was saying that 10 units, and I will hit enter. See here, when I select this one, and if I was pressing this side, I will get infinite in length of 10 units between these two lines. If I want to check the line between, what will call, if I want to check the dimension between these two, then you go here, you hit, you can check here, because I have been setted it out, what will call, units in the inches and feet. Because of that reason I was getting 10 inch. Right, by default I have pressed only 10, so by default it is going to take it as a 10 inch. Right, this is how we are going to work with respect to your extension line command. Similar way, if I want to draw a line with what we call, whose starting point is known and end point is unknown, then during this case what we are going to do, we are going to use a ray command. So we will type ray by, or you can directly go in the draw toolbar, you are going to find the ray command. Right, so you choose this one. See here, I was getting this one because only, see here, I can draw n number of lines over here. So as I told you, one point is known, which is your this point. Starting point is known, but ending point I don't know where it is gone. Right. So how we are going to use this case, whether it is possible to use these things, then definitely yes. I will take one small arc over here, so no need to worry. In future days I will explain you people about arc, how we are going to draw. So you just see during this time, so no need to worry, I'll explain in. Okay, so see here, if I was taking ray command, this is my center point, I'll keep here whatever the distance or a curved path I need, I'll take all the things. Right, I'll take on either side. If I want to draw okay, see here, once I have done these things, I will trim out all those things. So modifying toolbar I have not thought you, I will teach you, no need to worry. So just you see, I am cutting all the extension points. See, this is how your window is looking. We can draw like this many objects with the help of this what we call ray command. If you got any doubts with respect to ray command, please comment me in the comment section, then definitely I will help you out with the help of your ray command or extension command. Thank you.